Did you just file your taxes under the new tax regime? We know that ATC is no longer available in the new tax regime as opposed to the old tax regime, right? But I still think that you should open a PPF account. Why am I saying so? Because 1.5 lakhs a year is doable. The interest income is still non-taxable. Unlike in the FDs that we make, 10% is deducted as TDS, tax deducted at source, and all the interest income we earn in FDs. Whereas in the case of a PPF account, that is not the case. The interest rate is fair. It's currently 7.1%, which is decided by the government. And if you compare it to the current market FDs, they're roughly around 6.8% is what most banks are giving at max. So 7.1 is definitely more than that. And also the fact that no TDS is deducted. If you have sufficient savings in FDs and liquid funds and stocks, however you invest, I still think you should open a PPF account. PPF stands for Public Provident Fund. The lump sum amount is locked for 15 years. So the maturity of this amount is after 15 years, which can be extended for 5 years after that. And you see the real power of compounding in this case. You can invest from rupees 500 to 1.5 lakhs a year. It's safe because it has sovereign backing. The amount goes in the government fund, the public account of India. So I think you should really think about it and share this with your friends and family to advise them to still open a PPF account even if ATC has been removed from the new tax regime, and if they're still filing in the old tax regime, then sone pe suhaga.